Good morning, YouTube. Merry Christmas to all my lovely subscribers. Merry Christmas to all my viewers. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you guys. Yes, it's Christmas here in Jamaica. Hey. As you can see, I'm with my Christmas outfit. Check out the video right here. Yeah, I all know Christmas is not just for presents, cooking, and drinking and also partying. It's about celebrating the life of Christ, you know, being together with your family and friends, you know, giving an encouraging word and volunteering your services if you can, you know. But I'm not gonna draw it out too long. But there's so many more things to say, but now born out today. Today Christmas Day. Hello. So leave a comment if you like this pajama. And no, I did not purchase these. It was purchased for me. Alright guys. The Christmas vlog is just getting started. Hey, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hello. Alright. Alright, let's see what's on the Christmas menu. So far, missionary in the Christmas pack. I Miss Jean. What you have for the menu?
Solid.
Liver with. Liver with one. What is that?
String bean.
Mm-hmm. So that's string bean with liver. Okay.
This is salt mackerel.
Salt mackerel.
Yeah.
Nice, pretty. Y'all seen it? Mm. Okay, what's in the pot?
Yam and sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Some to Irish.
And Irish.
Oh, Miss not a sweet potato fan, you know.
Irish.
Okay.
And yam, white yam.
Okay. So guys, our Christmas morning is going smooth so far. So no sorrel this year. As I'm not a sorrel drinker, guys. Come see some dry up sorrel yesterday. I'm going to the supermarket. And I saw me come back them dry up.
I don't buy them.
Yeah, I think them the fire for the shelf. And I saw when I two people selling sorrel on the road. I didn't even look at the price because when I drink sorrel and them they do so dry up. How much people? How much people wasn't even buying sorrel? Much people wasn't buying sorrel. I barely see sorrel on the road when I must about one somebody me say I saw sorrel. You see? Yeah. So not much sorrel this year, so imagine the price. Damn. Well, I'm not a sorrel drinker. I have said many times, so we drink water. So I have my breakfast plate ready in the morning, yeah. And so this is breakfast. Baby, we're gonna start singing. Long time I eat string beans in a long time. I used to make for some a lady, and I think her husband or friend or whatever, they must sell string bean. You know, so we pass it and some I buy it. So I should buy a string bean. So I guess we did for eat string bean today. Mm-hmm. 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 So let me unbox these packages. Unbox these packages. Oh, Temu. Yeah. Guys, and this is Temu sell some good things. Yeah, man. So Shein alone sell good things. Temu sell good things. Mm. Alright. Get into it, kind of fast. What's in the bag? And all these packages you see me opening, I did not purchase anything. It was bought and given to me. Jean shirts. Press the shape, it shape just like me, so you don't know if it's gonna fit good. Right, next. Plastic from Plastic Man. Another jean shirts. Ooh, love the feel of the material. Very stretchy. Can't wait to put you on. Hello. All right. This is a dress. The mesh. Stretchy. In such a big bag. Right. So it's okay. I put it on. Cute and girly, and it comes with a panty. All right. Moving along. Mm. And let me a panty. Yeah. Y'all see the pattern? All right. Nice. Crop top. Okay. Last but not least, oh the scratch it up, so cause me I say it you the first brush it came in a box. So we take it out of Sure. I guess I'm taking it to the box so you can make space for other packages, I guess. Alright, let's see if it works. Look like everything in the bag. Come on, the sponge them. Whoops. Mm. Oh, look so. One moment there, guys. Alright, the one kind of different from my one. The handle says on and off. Hola there. It's a put on wrong, guys. Something wrong, yes, so. Hold on. Alright, this is it. So it's I put on properly now. This are the tighten up. The rule say, man. Tighten it or to pull it. You know? Alright. Let's see if any juice in it. Alright, it works. Speed level. And if you can see the little green lights. And just scrub. So now you come with the sponge them. And use there some more panties. Alright, pineapple and cucumber juice. Just cut. Somebody say oxtail. All right. Christmas dinner coming together, guys. Stay tuned. All right, oxtail got in a pot. Juice still making.
Merry Christmas.
Miss Chinarona.
And come.
Miss Chinarona for Christmas kitchen, yeah. Alright, some peas. Nice pot of oxtail. Food tastes so good. Alright guys, so we did not bake this cake. It was given to us, so let me try it. It tastes good. It's a rum cake.